Hello friends, welcome to Pritha's Cooking House. My today's recipe is Dahi Vada. Dahi Vada is a lip-smacking Indian delicacy which can be prepared using some easily available ingredients in your kitchen. It is a popular Indian snack that is made during special occasions and festivals. Let's see what are the ingredients we will be requiring for making Dahi Vada. Before that, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon beside it. And if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and please let me know your valuable feedback by commenting on the below comment section. For making Dahi Vada, I have taken here 300 grams of black gram or urad dal, or in Bengali we call it as biulit dal, and some fennel seeds, 700 grams curd or dahi, black salt as per taste, sugar as per taste, tamarind sauce, roasted spices and half teaspoon cooking salt and some water. Here I have some soaked black gram or urad dal. I have soaked it for around 5 hours. Then I will be putting this soaked black gram or urad dal into a mixing jar, and I have to make a smooth paste of this urad dal for making the Dahi Vadas. Need to grind it for around 5 to 7 minutes. The smooth paste of black gram or urad dal is now ready. Now I will keep this aside for around 15 minutes. In the meantime, I have taken here a bowl and I have added some water in it, and now I am adding half teaspoon of salt, and I have to wait until the water gets lukewarm. See, I am able to put my one finger in the water, so that means the water is ready. I can put off the gas now. Now I will be adding 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds into this black gram paste, and I need to beat it very well. I am beating it or mixing it with the help of my hand. Need to beat it for around 10 minutes. The more you beat well, the vadas will be more soft and more spongy. Now to check whether this batter is perfectly ready or not, you need to take a bowl with some regular normal temperature water in it, and you need to put 1 drop of this batter into water, and if the batter is coming upwards, that means the batter is ready to fry. Now I have taken here one frying pan and some refined oil into it, and when the oil is medium heated, that time we need to put a small portion of this batter and shape it like vada, and need to fry the vadas in low to medium heat. See, the color has started changing. All the sides needs to be fried well, and the color should be light golden. After frying the vadas for 5 or 6 minutes, now the vadas are well fried, and now we need to take it out from oil. Now we need to put the hot vadas into that salted lukewarm water, and need to stir it well, and need to keep this varas into this water for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, see the size of the varas has increased a bit. Now you need to press it well to stain the water with the help of your hand. See the way I am doing this, you need to follow the same way. The reason behind this step is to make the varas more soft and to give it a good shape. See, all the varas are now ready. Let me show you how much the varas are soft now. See, I am pressing it with the help of my hand and it feels so soft. It's really very soft now. I can store the varas in this way for 3 to 4 days in normal refrigerator. Now we need to prepare the main ingredient of dahi vada, that is dahi, and I have taken here 700 grams of chilled dahi into a mixing jar, and I am adding some black salt as per taste into it, and we'll be adding some sugar as per taste into it, and need to grind it for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, see the dahi became more smooth and it looks perfect for dahi vada. Now we need to go for the final step, that is assembling the dahis and varas. Now for assembling, I have taken here the dahis, and I have also taken here some tamarind sauce or imli chutney. So tamarind sauce you can easily get it from any grocery stores, and if you want you can easily make it at home. I made it at home with the help of some tamarind pulp and sugar. Now also I have some roasted masalas here. So I have used some cumin seeds and some dried red chili, and I have roasted it and then I grinded it into a mixture grinder. To increase the taste of your dahi vada, these spices are very much required. Now I will be taking a mixing bowl and will be adding the varas into the mixing bowl at first. Now we'll be adding dahi into it. After adding dahi, now we need to add some tamarind sauce or imli chutney into this. There is no specific measurement for this tamarind sauce or imli chutney. You can add as per your taste. Now we will sprinkle some dry roasted masalas on the top, and there is no measurement for these masalas also. You can add it as per your taste. And at last we will be adding some bhujia on the top to increase the taste a bit. Our perfect dahi vada is now ready, and this dahi vada is very special to me because I took part in a social media food fest organized by Dish a Day, and I became winner sharing this dahi vada. I hope you all liked the recipe, and if you liked it, then please like the video and share the video with your family and friends, and let me know your valuable feedback by commenting on the below comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it now and press the bell icon beside it. We'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, you all take care. Bye.